whose name is... I am here with Woof, as you can see. We're engaged! Hi guys! Here she is, guys. This is Piglet. Thanks to Tati for being a part of this video with me.
I was going to do confidence, but she stole it. So.
OMG, I've arrived at Boots and I'm weirdly enough now in a room with posters of my face all over the wall. I have made my own lipstick with MAC. We're having a baby! I've had a baby and she's here. This is baby River. Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas. Look how magical the Christmas tree is looking in the dark.